Hello everyone. Welcome to this one-of-a-kind course on HTML, CSS, Sass and Bootstrap with real-world practical assignments and small projects which will make you a pro. In more than 2 decades of working in the IT industry, I have seen programmers shying away from CSS. Developers say this quite often. We'll worry about the design later. The functionality is what's important. Let me tell you straight away, CSS is the most important, and trust me, it gets a lot better once you understand how it works. Web and mobile app development is one of the most high-paying jobs in the world. And guess what? HTML and CSS are the foundations for it. We will start from very basics of HTML, like understanding the page structure and knowing all the various tags and elements used within HTML. And then we'll gradually build our way up step by step, where we will learn CSS with topics like selectors, combinators, pseudo classes and elements, text formatting, how to use colors and gradients, various units used in CSS, different types of page layouts, transform, transition, animation and whatnot, along with responsive web designs using flexbox and grid layouts. All these with practical examples and assignments, of course. Also, Sass and Bootstrap sections are a must for you, as they are explained with practical examples and small assignments which will help you in mastering topics such as nesting, partials, modules, mixins, operators in Sass, and containers, buttons, grid layouts, model, pagination, navbars in Bootstrap and much more. This is a 100% practical course packed with real-world interview questions with their logical answers, loaded with assignments and advanced projects like these to help you in understanding the topics in and out. I will show you the best way to design beautiful web layouts in a non-complicated manner. From designing responsive menus, various forms like login forms, some great yet simple animations and various such small projects, make this course a hands-on bootcamp in itself. Not to forget that I will add more such projects from time to time along with new topics. I just need your time, attention and dedication to practice and learn, and I'm sure you will come out as smart, hands-on developer ready to face challenges. Join me and let's begin the learning journey today.